If you want to quickly see what's inside a file without actually opening it, Quick Look on Mac does exactly that. Just click on any file or any photo which you want to preview and then press spacebar. So for example this one, and press spacebar, and you're gonna preview that file, that photo or PDF, any file which you're gonna select. If you press spacebar again, it's gonna close that preview and you don't have to close it. You can use it on multiple files if you, for example, select multiple ones like this, and you can go left and right. So it's simple. If you want to open the file properly after previewing that, press CMD-O and it's gonna open that in Preview app. I like this feature on the Mac pretty much, especially when I want to only preview photo. I don't want to open it. It saves so much time. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe and see you next time.